Yamwachi BM wa kwaba do Badwam TV Badwam so Apostle Dr. Nite Kutego yada se enu kranshen sem de du so ne yakase no nsam etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betie ne yakokuma so wompene ne chena ema bato bi ansa nkoso biem e wo mraso bedwa ede KPANDAI sanse mi ne nsem bi anopa yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase uko Facebook /Adom TV extra yedem live wo Go TV channel ne 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 na kwa adomonline.com semine semafufuro bi ewo media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni dim semne nchiremu eni Mrasha bedwafo dom kuma ye wo ho no mo se ni manimi ya no letter no a parliament de koma yisi se pandai abato mpesua so mrasha bedwakonya yentu biemo onko yimfiri ho fi se wo mpene so ne anachina de koso nra eni
Omanfo bekaya eneda na mrashibejim chairman Aban Sumana Babin edibetu dwase pandai akonya no eda ho pan na we ana MPP amanyoko no awomo mrashibejim edi abetu dwase enya ade awomo ebepene so kra ma womo ayi eye mrashibejeni owo pandai Matthew Nindam efiri ho enu ntino womo ekopie mu ewo mrashibejim no na womo eni abre pa wo mrashibejim no womo nina ehye tuntum womo ede kire wo ye kire womo ye no oloye ni ede ma eye dom ketwa no osan eye mrashibejeni ewo soame John Dakon ene Adom news nsentwoni ohena mponsa twetwe nkomo no wode nsemse ene tudwa
me fisi me de me ne area jetro our clerk to parliament enya aju kan me fisi ase or pentema ya DBM way na the application for stay of execution is been served in parliament. Our parliament how? Stay of execution is a parliament appeal no parliament and application for sessuara now ye de kase court no ni ku kwan kra so eti asem no ni nyina ye de abre parliament I didn't know mu nyina so kase and nam see so no ye was sa court process na court krata in some krata yes you need to take sa decision to declare the seat vacant of course the seat is now vacant young control yes sir decision the legal team of our brother the lawyers no we did make the APR means enche mobeti the GD say dem na kwan and a judgment in kwan bi a befa so through the court process in yeah
so na pandai sense samo no yamra shebedwa akonya yeso wonko tu biemu no ene ekokuma ya na eguso a womo kasai na wo hwe ne enra ekoso e wo mra shebedwa fie mu no anese woni enso ka kire womo ekire mu asa letter no a womo de akoma electoral commission ne de e wo so womo ekwaji firi ho no mo ntesa ompreso ne anachna
ene kopie mu Ghana mashebe fia na se woni enso ka kire won mo dwumedie ni nyina ekoye basa na enam enumkuma no ensemia won bonjo so wo kire mu dia enkrata efie no etwere koma electoral commission se akonya bia dampan wo no won mo dwene ho anya de se wote ase we ena domkuma no ekire mu dia ekwanya mashebe fie no fa so ene ma hodo bia eka ho no anya de se afa kwemu kura ne senti ena won bo enjo so anya de se wobeti ase ama won mo edi sa adwuma no ensembia na won mo eka enie.
The point is that we have precedents to some of these matters. I was to go. Rebecca Aduti, and Isaac Hamo. When there was a stay, the parliament held on till the final determination of the case by. You and I know that there is a stay of execution. So where lies in the point and the fact that we want to write a letter going to Unaokoyin from the electoral commission say vacancy. We think it's very inappropriate.
Parliament has a subset of Constitution of Ghana. Why then ascend north? The same thing happened. The Parliament asked, no, the due process ought to be followed. I'm not a lawyer, but from the layman's point of view, processes have been filed. Appeals court. Processes has been filed. Supreme Court. Why the rush?
was Sansem who and Adom Kessian so edit to just say any Emra Kwanson Clark to Parliament FIA or a train cratay Edicoma Battle Commission is senti Onunyanya Butoyumna near Emrano Edan one more infant one more soon Simbia with the 2 jar any.
Court may make a decision in the dado. Court may make decision in the dado. And to court decision now, speak and sortion as I easy. And one in Penny just like a year ago, war power. Bibi Anya go to court. Court is sooner as me walk we boarded them. Into you should respect the court decision.
Enti said Dom Kuma Wamra Sherry Fie Air Corner na MPP Amanyoko no answer so one also said Tamale High Court decision and an Adom Paul say Yensan Koto Rashe Bedra Kunyan Bimo Pandaino on something.
PP Amanyoko na ni edit to just say Tamale High Court for Jinaya will see ya Ninan say Emrashibe Faba one more toy Pandai one moon trim no Santon of Frono and ya say if a quemu de Biarata I was central for shame we share so national organizer Dema MPP Amanyoko and Nabi Ekasa and Odi to just say
the people of Pandai voted freely. They chose their member of parliament by crushing margin of 3,734 votes. The vote is sacred. The voice is sovereign. A flawed judgment cannot silence it. A captured judiciary cannot overturn it. Violence cannot be rewarded. Thuggery cannot triumph. The New Patriotic Party stands today as a fierce defender of the vote, the voice, and Ghanaians' democracy.
We and an abyss signed to just say nay a sa court no a chat to hono and yadi baby boadachi and Simbia bit me a fasa quanimon senti and many years 1 for Nancy from Anka Wasama. Ever call Eddie Tia or my young Cassa and Fiahudra Eddie anymore.
Judgment aside, restore the mandate of the people of Pandai that Pandai overwhelmingly gave. Uproot this vicious precedence. To President Mahama and the NDC, we see what you are doing. Every scheme, every plot, we will not be silent. We will not surrender. To the media, the people of Ghana, stay vigilant. Your democracy is under severe attack and threat. Speak up, stand up. Do not let this country slip back into authoritarian rule.
Pandai Semdemo na Yamungra Yensen for Fro Emo na joint operation and our cost for Bambofoni na ya criminal investigation department and a DND Bank of Ghana Kawon Ho Abomwa and nay enipa be duanan eba ko a one more air forest exchange yi ebia onya no kwampa so no onsa account.
Wabra Director General the Criminal Investigations Department COP Lydia Yakodonko and central for Enyankitahudi ede afa wonwumedi ahodo ehweso bitu abonofo semso ewo maimu and wodi to just say ewo wonomo operation bia wonomo hwehwe so ewo enkramantem ha no ama eni $5,000 and afisika ebro 1 million Ghana cedis 100,000 CFA and afi sika ahodo bi eka ho de so woni ye kase wonomo nsa etumi aka efri omonfo wonomo edi Boni Ewomenyi Emo.
In the early hours of today, Tuesday, December 9th, 2025, a team from the Criminal Investigation Department's Operation Unit and officials from the Bank of Ghana, acting on intelligence, conducted an operation at major hotspots in targeted areas of Accra, including Tudu, Circle, Airport, and Osu. These locations were identified as consistent sites of illegal forex trading. In total, 29 suspects, including Togolese, Beninois, Nigerians, and Ghanaians, were arrested.
Eno chino san fasa konya no so de toma fo ni wonum fa kwiti kwan so edi amanfofro so sika edwai bia emfa kwan mu se wontwe won ho emfemfiri wo sanse ni wo sinkite passe o manfo odi sanse mone no obitu won so esa.
About an hour after the earlier operation, the team revisited the said locations and arrested 12 more suspects, bringing the total arrests for today to 41. A total of 28 suspects were arrested then and put before the circuit court in Accra, where they were granted police inquiry bail. Those arrested in this operation also included both Ghanaian and foreign nationals, all detained for unauthorized forex trading. Money seized included Ghana cedis and some foreign currencies.
Yako wale municipal hospital ho na wawa ye ni ombetimi bia wo enipa bia wo suso se kwofo dwene se ye krorobo na okoye menam so nti we praye de no ba yaresa bia ho no omo ahwani bia abusuo bia nyini tinti no omo yi na firi ho no mo emu nsem eni
A doctor for womo ewo wale municipal hospital edi atudwa se onipa womo ede ne beto ho a na wo ya ka baby eye December bosume no da edikan womo de ne koto eye emergency na hu ko hia se ohia moa efi ebusuan ho efa sika fam ene na yarehwe na we na doctor for ebo wo ne homoden efre ye ebusuafo bi ewo eye tetefon so nanso no bia enye na adwene se obeba beboa eye onipa yi a womo ede na ba beto ayaresabia ho.
It's a challenge for us as self-workers. Our ward is small, there's no space to keep them in the ward. People who need urgent care are in, but we don't have a place to work. Okay, can you tell me your full name? My name is Simon Jemi. Position here? A nurse in Badwam Hospital.
Senior hospital administrator edi atudwa se anamonto bi a womatu se womo benya ebusuan no ankosiaga sempo obi enim de nti ebusuan no enye wona adwene se womo ebeba behwe womo ede hie.
Actually, we need support to locate his family. That is one. Secondly, for the time being, we need support from the general public to be able to feed him. But right now, other philanthropists got some breakfast already in this morning. Somebody also got lunch for us to feed. Actually, both hands are broken, so we have to feed him. When you buy the food, you have to feed him in addition. So if the general public can help us to locate his family, it will be good.
Yenye no so na Adom TV kasia na hana bema kwan na no pay ye de sie